Okay, last time we created a customer account group. Let's first check the configuration SPRO. Uh, Financial accounting, accounts receivable, customer accounts, master data, preparation, account groups, control F. Oh no, position DT72. Okay, we have customer SD FI group. Okay, this is already there. We've already made this. Then comes the next one is to find the same account group in cross-modular components. This is cross-modular components, which actually is responsible for creating master data for all modules, irrespective of which module it is. So we'll go for SAP Business Partner because now the concept of vendor and customer is merged into business partner, which is controlled and supervised by cross modular components, cross application components. Okay. Okay. Now SAP business partner, basic settings, number range and groupings, define groupings, DT72. Walaikum assalam. Okay, we have DT72. So that means we are aligned. BP and open BP. Open BP. Search term DT72. Fill out all required fields. DT72. What are the required fields? User. It does not find any. Okay, group. No values. Okay, come on. Okay, finance, AP, information systems, reports, master data, vendor list, company code DT72. No list. Okay, let's create one then. BP. Okay, organization. Grouping. Where is it? Come on. DT72. Okay. DT72. 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 We find AP language is English. Okay. Save. Okay. 4712 is our customer. Okay. But switch between display and change. And now we'll make FI customer standard and company code. Company code will be DT72. Okay, reconciliation account is a must over here. Uh, let's go for FS00. DT72. Okay. Um, 8842. And we have recon accounts. Recon accounts. 60,000 is local vendor. I'll copy this. 6100 in DT72. Field status variant is not there. Okay. SPRO. Financial accounting. Ledgers. Assign company code to field status variant. Will just assign some on the fly. DT72. We can have 000001. Save. Okay, this is done. Let's go to FS00. Uh, 8842 and recon accounts. Okay, I will copy this to 6100 DT72, and this will be recon accounts, and I will say recon account local customers. Okay. Control data. This will be for customers recon account. Okay. G067 and save. Okay, data is saved. And we have this account. Sort key. This is very important. Purchase order. Customer number. Okay. Customer number. Save. Okay. Customer number has been the sort key, and this is the same customer. Okay. switch between display and change. Now I will SD customer standard. It will ask for sales and distribution part, and will ask for DT72. Enter. DT72. Oh, where is it? Sometimes ST. Maybe I've not made it. Okay, we'll make it next time. Right now, we'll just go ahead. Okay. Okay, we've already made this 4712. Okay, this part is done. Next is Incoterms. Now, Incoterms are basically the rules and regulations of the commercial trade. Okay, let's define that. And that is actually defined, Incoterms are defined at the customer level. Okay, where it is defined. Okay, SPRO. Sales and distribution. Master data. Business partners. Customers. Billing document. Now, in billing document, of course, we need Incoterms. What are Incoterms? Incoterms. Now, Incoterms basically like cost, insurance, freight, CIF, or free on board, FOB. We'll have free on board as well. So we can actually define this as per the jurisdiction that allows, the shipping jurisdictions that allow. Okay. Next, of course, checking groups. Now, what are checking groups? We'll just check that as well. Okay. Basic functions, availability check. Availability check. Availability check with ATP logic or against planning. Define availability check groups. What are availability check groups? Let me define that. Okay, whenever deliveries have to be made, the deliveries have to be checked. Okay, the deliveries have to be put through quality testing, because of course you have to send that to your customer. So there will be requirements. Either it will be checked daily, or it will be checked in batches whenever the batch is ready, or whenever there is individual requirement, if there is a need, okay, and it's based on material type, okay. So, daily requirements, let's say what total sales requirements are based on. Okay, this is easy to understand. Single records, total records per day, total records per week, requires date on Monday of current week, total records per week requires date on Monday of following week. So if the QA has to be done, it can be done on every single record or total records per day, like sampling. Okay. Total delivery requirements, based on delivery requirements, of course, you can go for the checking groups. Okay. Now, next, we have already done this material block. Now, what is material block? Whether material can be used or it can be used for deliveries or not, whether it is blocked for other users. Okay. Let's see. Availability check. Availability check. Relatable logic. Customer block. Where is that? User block.
सर मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ यहाँ पर?
Now, okay. Now, as I told you, there can be a requirement for checking your batches for QA. Okay. It can be based on project stock or consignment, or for production planning, for capacity planning, or based on sales order. Okay. So requirements availability check requirements will have more checks for your client. Okay. For your SAP environment, either with safety stock, you want availability, or you want quality inspection stock also. So availability check basically will give you a control over stocks that are available to be shipped for shipped to the customers. Okay, you actually give allocation rules. Okay, and based based on sales and distribution configuration, you can actually specify which stocks, receipts, and issue elements should be taken into account during availability. Okay, so you can actually check the stocks, receipt, issues of your stocks before you can actually with availability check. Okay, now let's check another part, which is okay, basic functions and routes. Routes, modes of transport. Now, modes of transport, again, this is again based on your sales order, whether you will ship it through road, rail, sea, air cargo, to Uber or anything, any mode of transport, or by hand, this can be configured as well. Okay. So these are the modes that you can transfer. Okay. Next is shipping types. Truck, mail, rail, sea, and of course, other modes, other types, shipping types can also be used, like car, snail mail, whatever. Yeah. Easy. This is all easy. Okay. Oh. Basic functions, routes, routes, and stages. Okay, now you can also, if you are, for example, in e-commerce and if you have an FMCG product and it is actually being transported to various parts of the country, then you can have routes. Okay. But if you are actually working in a customized order, for example, if there is custom order, then of course routes may not be that feasible. You'll have a single common route. Okay. But if you're dealing in something that is freely moving, like FMCG, okay, like beverages or mobiles or headphones, yeah, then you will have routes. You will define. There will be stages in routes, okay, and of course, there will be agents. Distances will be calculated, and of course, there will be category for the product also, the itinerary, the product, the departure point, everything will be there, okay, for every route. Connection point, destination, okay. Um, Now, you can also define how customer will actually pick that. Your customer can be, for example, a distributor or wholesaler. You can define this from here, okay. I guess it's good for today. Yeah.